Tuvelo?
So welcome to our YouTube channel. So I'm with Mateo and we will be playing this game at 12 a.m. We're that brave. We say that as Mateo closes the blinds kasi nagatakot siya. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Alright. Girl.
Ang bagal.
One by one.
Yeah. Oh my god, someone took a fucking shit. Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god! Horror kasi. We can't scream kasi nga tutulog na yung mga magulang namin. That's so ass.
Girl, what? Look here. Close the damn door.
Tapos na tayo dyan. Oh my god! Mateo! There's someone here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, may CCTV. Oh my god!
Oh.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo. Open the door.
It's still there.
Uy! 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 Gago, di pa tayo tapos maglinis sa kitchen. Okay. Not only did you not complete the task, you also died. Oh, we died. That was shit.